samahan sang tawag mo lang. Kailanman basta't laging magkakapit, bisig makakayang lahat. Di man tayo magkasama ay mananatiling tapat. Sumpaan, walang iwan na.
Hi, Sir Tan. I just wanted to say na thank you for making this school year enjoyable for us, and thank you kay mo sabay jud ka sa mga trip namo, and that made you an awesome and incredible advisor. And I hope na we will meet again in the future, and please continue for being a slayable teacher. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good day, sir. I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for your time. Thank you for teaching us and letting us express our thoughts, especially sa imong time, sir, nga nakay i-ask nga question, you always let us answer. Minas nga sayop siya because you always say nga okay ra masayop, at least you try. And sa kana nga imong pag-try kay makaibaw ka unsa jay imong sayop, unsay sakto. And sir, day sa tanan, sir, sorry usay kay sabaan kay ko, sabaan kay mi, og sorry sa katong Christmas party nga gisayang ra namo imong effort, sir. And I just want to say nga we may not be the best for you, but you're the best for us. And thank you, sir. God bless.
Hi, Sir Tan. Thank you kayo, Sir Tan. Nga ikaw amo na advisor karon sa grade 11 na mo, sir. And then, thank you kayo, sir, kay dili lang academic lessons ang imuhang gitudo sa amo, sir, but also life lessons, sir. Daghan gimig na learn from you, sir. And then, God bless jud sa imuhang journey, sir, as a teacher and as a human being, sad, sir. And then, God bless sa jud sa imuhang business, sir. So, see you, sir, sa next school year, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hi, Sir. Thank you for everything, especially being our class advisory. Thank you for teaching and guiding us. More tudlo to comes. That's all. Bye-bye. See you when I see you.
Hi, sir. Thank you for everything.
Hi, Sir Tan. Ang ako lang, sir, is thank you. Thank you sa tanan nga gibuhat nimo para namo, sir. Thank you kay kung naami mga needs, naami mga kuwang, naadyo ka para mo support, mo guide na mo instruct na mo kung sa mo ang kanang dapat buhaton as a students. So, thank you, sir, kay naadyo ka para mo tabang jud mo, sir. And I hope, sir, nga tanan nimong ang ipangbuhat na mo is kanang naapoy mo, kanang mo ara nimo nga blessing. And also, sir, is salamat sa tanan pod nga kuan kanang taas kay kag pasensya, sir. We are so proud of you, sir, kay taas jud kay kag pasensya para namo, sir. And I hope, sir, nga di ka mausab, sir, and stay sa kabutan, ka-humble, kanang di na ako malimtan, sir, katong nag-lunch ta ninyo niya ning sabay jud ka na mo. So para na ko, sir, is kanang nindot kay kaka-jam kay wala jud dili ka para sa other nga kanang teacher nga kanang naipagka charot. Pero, sir, thank you, sir, kay tanan memories, sir, naradyo na mo sa among kuan, sir. Thank you kay na part you ka sa among kuan, sir. So more to, sir. Thank you, sir, Tan. We will miss you, sir. Love you, sir. Bye bye.
Hi, Sir Tan. good day. So salamat ti ay for being our advisor karon sa section serious. Thank you for all the lessons that you have taught us karon nga throughout this school year, and good luck sir with your future endeavors. Farewell sir.
Hi sir, kanang thank you day sa tanan sir, bisag kanang badlongon mi kay media pun mingi kung ani tudluan gitarong. Salamat jud kay sa tanan sir. Thank you sir.
Hi Sir Tan. All I want to say is thank you for all the love, motivation, and for all the care, and for all the learning, sir. Thank you big time, Jude, guys, sir. And I know a thank you word is not enough to show you how grateful we are that you are our advisor. Sir, I know we are not the best section or advisory you've ever had, but we want to let you know that you are the best teacher we had. Thank you, sir, sa pagsabot. Even sometimes, dili na dyan minimo mas kaya sabton. And we know nga always ka mo try nga sabton me. Thank you sa imong pasensya, sir, nga grabe kataas. I don't know na nganong every time mga saba ka na mo, di jud ko maka-feel og bisag gamay nga hadlok. Then I just realized, why would I feel fear when I know na deserve na mo tanan nimong kasaba. I also realized na that's your way on disciplining us. Instead of mahadlo ko, sir, I feel very grateful because every time na mga saba ka na mo, it made us feel how caring you are and that you love us very much. And you treat us as your own son and daughter. I want you to know, sir, na keep fighting because we know na bisag grabe kay ka makamotivate na mo, nasad kayo mga silent battles. And we want to let you know also, sir, na you have us and you will always have us. You are the most amazing, brave, and kind person I know. You are the best. It makes us feel happy, sir, because finally, we will move on to the next chapter of our lives. Mo grade 12 na jud mi. Move na mi next grade level na dala-dala ang always nimong gusto para namo. And it made us also sad knowing na mabiyaan ka namo sa room na ikaw na sa dusa. Yes, I know, sir, nga logically, magkita lang jud ta sa gawas. But still, lahi jud ang kita permi taga-adlaw ang magbanding. Kita ang una mag-meet sa buntag, ug ang last magkita sa hapon. Sir, thank you sa tanan. Again, you are the best. Di pa ni enough na effort, sir, to show you or para makabawi sa tanan sacrifices and patience para namo. Patience nimo para namo. Don't worry, sir. Makabawas rami nimo pohon. We love you, sir. Take care of yourself and always, and don't forget to rest also. And don't tire yourself too much. Bye bye, sir. We love you and I salute you.